G'day folks, Connor here from CW Tech Reviews, back with another video. Hit that like button and the subscribe button because today we're doing the Clearview standing cover for the Galaxy Note 9. So without further ado, let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Clearview standing cover, Galaxy Note 9. Multiple viewing angles, easy control with dedicated UX, theme curation service. Sounds good? This is the Clearview standing cover. A little bit of plastic holding it all together. Here's the Galaxy Note 9. We're going to put it into its place here. Welcome. You can download and apply unique themes and match your phone. Samsung's themes for cover. Really nice looking front cover there. You still get your always on display feature as well coming through the device. Just like so. You can still scroll through and you can still see everything you need to. You also have access to your power button on and off. All your cutouts are there. USB Type-C, headphone jack, speaker, S Pen. Let's just have a look. S Pen comes out nice and easy. Would have been nice if they allowed you to draw on here with the S Pen. That would have been really cool. Volume up, volume down, and your Bixby button. Some branding on the back, Samsung, and a really nice feeling. It sort of feels a little bit soft and textured. Adds a little bit of bulk to your device, but I can tell you, I'm impressed with it. Now with a slight pull of the device, just like so, is how you get your standing cover. And this is how you set yourself up like so. Now if I'm going to go to YouTube, I set it up like this. And here we go, iPhone XS Max by Sean B. Nice. Meh.
What's up everybody, it's your boy Sean B. Nice back in with some old heat rock, and today we're talking about...
So there's your standing cover. And you can adjust the angle so that it suits you. Closing it back down. Now another thing we can do is interact with the notifications from within the screen. So if I double tap on this one, it says open cover to view notification details. And I open, and there we go. It opens straight up to Pinterest, which was the notification I had. So I think that is pretty funky. Now, also, you can swipe through like so, through your notifications. I don't know how easy that is to see. Now, if I open it up, and I go to my music, I'm going to have to turn this down so we can't hear it. My music's playing. And I go to my lock screen. Through my case, I can still skip through songs, pause the music, play, pause, skip, skip. So a really impressive quality case again from Samsung. When it comes to their accessories, they're hard to beat. I like how they are a premium manufacturer who still makes their accessories. So overall, a really nice feeling and looking case here by Samsung for the Galaxy Note 9. You've got good access to your cameras there and your fingerprint scanner. Easy access, definitely. Just being able to swipe through those notifications or the lock screen menu is really funky as well. You can also answer your phone calls through this as well. Probably the only thing I don't like about cases that have an opening like this is trying to use that camera. You've always got to, there we go, there's a beautiful guy. But with that camera, you've always got to have that flap hanging down, which is a little bit annoying. I don't particularly like it. But if you are going to use a case like this that does protect the screen, then I certainly would recommend using the Samsung ones. Now I also will point out that you don't want to get a grain of sand or a piece of dirt or something stuck between the screens because that could cause you problems. And it looks like it might scratch fairly easily as well. So something to bear in mind, the front's going to scratch easy. You will also notice that it is a dead set fingerprint magnet. Look at that, I've been using it for about 3 minutes and it is covered in fingerprints already. So there you go, the Samsung Galaxy Clearview standing cover. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Comments down below, all that sort of stuff. I really appreciate you coming along and watching my video, and I will catch you in the next one. Check ya.